Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. On a weekly time frame chart, Chiliz has broken out a very long-term down channel, and after that, you can see it is struggling to break out this long-term resistance of 16.5 cents that has been previously working as a resistance here, and for several weeks it has been working as a support here, and for several weeks or months before that, it has been working as a support here as well. And at the same time, it has also broken out an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, this was the head, and this was the right shoulder. And here we had the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. First, it broke out the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and immediately after that, it has broken out the resistance of this down channel as well. And now it is starting to break out this long-term resistance of 16.5 cents. And at the same time, Chiliz is also trying to break out this very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that since this bearish cloud has appeared, it is getting rejected again and again by this cloud. Like we got rejection here, we got rejection here, and now recently again it has entered the cloud and about to hit the upper band of this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Sleepless AI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, I shared this signal on 16th of Feb. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite nice pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Chiliz, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel since after the month of March 2021. Therefore, this was a multi-year space resistance. You can see we got rejection here, here, and so many rejections here, few more rejections here. And finally, we have broken out this resistance. When we were forming this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, in those days, I was telling you that the movement is now quite squeezed inside the support and resistance. Like we have found another downtrend and support here. We had a bounce here, another bounce here. So many touch points here as well. And after forming this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, there is a quite high probability that the price line may soon break out the resistance of this down channel as well. And you can see that after breaking out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder, immediately it has also broken out the resistance of this down channel as well. So far from this low to this high, it has pumped almost 212%, and now this is the second week that it is struggling to break out this long-term resistance of 16.5 cents. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past few days, it is again and again making several attempts to break it out, but so far it is not able to break out. At the same time, Chiliz is also trying to break out this long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that here, this cloud is also flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, there is a probability that soon we may also break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, a very long-term resistance as well. And after that, it will be flipped into a very long-term and strong support for the price. And now if we take a look at the targets, then target for this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that target can be here. That is approximately at 22.3 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from the long down channel is here at the top of this channel. That is between 95 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.